Hey everyone! Welcome back to another SOAR episode from this season's theme of book trailers for books that provide food for thought. If you haven't already, be sure to listen to last week's episode on Frederick Douglass's autobiography. Today's book trailer is for a children's classic, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. The book opens with the protagonist Charlie Bucket and the Bucket family, consisting of Mr. Bucket, Mrs. Bucket, Charlie, and both sets of grandparents living in their small two-room house with one bed. The family is extremely poor, as Mr. Bucket is the only one who is employed. They barely get by on cabbage and potatoes, but what Charlie wants more than anything is chocolate. So walking past Willy Wonka's chocolate factory every day on the way to school is torturous for him. Kindling his desire for chocolate even further are the stories his grandparents tell him about Mr. Wonka being some genius inventor who made a chocolate palace for an Indian prince, and how the factory is closed and no one knows anything about anyone who works there. One night, Mr. Bucket brings home a newspaper with exciting news. Mr. Wonka hid 5 golden tickets in his Wonka chocolate bars. The kids who find his golden tickets will get to tour his chocolate factory. Charlie gets a Wonka bar for his birthday, but sadly, it doesn't have a golden ticket inside. 4 children who do find tickets become famous, but the Bucket family thinks they're all horrible. Grandpa Joe gives Charlie money to buy a second bar, but that one doesn't have a golden ticket either. The following months are brutal for the Bucket family. It's a cold winter, Mr. Bucket loses his job, and the family begins to starve. One day on the way home from school, Charlie finds a $1 bill in the gutter and is grateful that he'll finally be able to buy food for his family. But first, he can't resist and goes to buy a Willy Wonka chocolate bar. But there's no golden ticket. He still has 90 cents left, and unable to resist, Charlie buys another one, his 4th attempt at getting a golden ticket. Will there be a golden ticket in this 4th bar? Why is Mr. Wonka doing this? What would this chocolate factory tour be like? What will happen to Charlie's family? Will they be okay? Read to find out and join this chocolatey tale. For me, I truly enjoyed reading this book, as it was full of imagination and strong emotional connection. This book is full of lessons, morals, fun, action, family, friendship, love, comedy, adventure, hope, and is truly a book that I would recommend. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to leave a rating and a review, and to spread the word about SOAR to help achieve its goal of promoting reading. I implore you to soar.